Hi, second graders. Today you're going to take a spelling test. So listen to me say each word, then write that word on the paper. Your first word is skip. Skip. I can skip outside. Skip. Your next word is skin. Skin. My skin feels dry. Skin. Your next word is mask. Mask. At school, we all wear a mask to keep each other safe. Our last word is task. Task. Your task is to complete this spelling list or test. If you need a repeat on a word, re-listen to the video. Write each word on your spelling test. When you're done, put it in the all done basket.